I started doing my research about Vienna and Austria in general, and I saw that Austria is investing a lot in pharmaceutical and life science, and we were super surprised because we saw that there is a lot going on in the region. So when it comes to German, I have to say that of course it's a big advance to know German before you move to Vienna, but that's not strictly necessary. In my case, I knew just a little amount of words. Everyone knows English. When it comes to work-life balance in Austria, I have to say that it's a topic that both employers and the country are pushing really hard. So I have over hours, but I'm very happy to do it because the company is not pushing me to do it. I am the one deciding to do such a thing. When I first moved to Austria, of course, I had some issues and challenges, as everyone else would have when moving to a new country. One of them was with bureaucracy, so I had an issue with the health insurance, but I just reached out to my colleagues and they gave me a tremendous support. So I think a key word here is collaboration, and at least in my workplace, collaboration is really key for the way we work. If someone doesn't get any support from their employer or some colleagues, I would 100% recommend them to go on the website of the Austrian business agencies. I'm sure they can find everything there and everyone is very supportive. I really wish I had a look at the website earlier.